Hey my loves. Okay, so it is 4:45 a.m. We are about to leave the hotel. We are staying by LAX airport right now. We're about to go on vacation, some more fun. I'm not gonna tell you guys yet, but we're with the fam. We got Gran over here. You excited, Gran? Yeah. I'm so excited. Okay, so I will take you guys along with us. So now if this is what you want to see, stay tuned. I'm so excited. Any guesses where we're going? All right, my loves, we have made it into the room. This is so cute. So this is a timeshare and it comes with a full living room. Look at that. It's amazing. It's so cool. We have a full dining table and a full kitchen. Look at that. All right, and so when you come into this side of the room, there's actually a washer and dryer, a lee unit. So convenient. Okay, and then on one side of the room, there's actually one bedroom and one bathroom. So here is the bathroom. So it comes with body lotion and also soap. There's a lot of towels. You have drawer space, which obviously has your dryer, extra toilet paper, some tissue. Beautiful mirror. Don't mind my look, you know, coming off of a flight. We're a little crazy. But then obviously the shower here is so nice. It comes with a bathtub and our favorite, the rainfall shower. Okay, and then in the one bedroom, you have two beds. So nice. And then obviously you have your little lamps. They actually have like a little clock here. You can hook up your phone or anything. A lot of obviously outlets and USB ports. A phone, so cute. Beautiful artwork on the walls, very Hawaiian. We have a nice little view of the outside. And then you have a full TV and then your closet space. There's some nice little hooks right here too if you want to hang like your jackets or coats or anything. But look at this space. So this is great if you're traveling with a lot of people. You have extra bed space. Okay, and then in the other bedroom, you have one big bed, a king size bed. So nice. Obviously, you have a lot of drawer space here, which is really nice. And then as you come around over here, you have a pretty decent sized closet. A lot of space to store things, as you can see. We have a nice little view from this room. We can actually see the ocean from here. I know you guys can't see it in this video, but we can see it. It's so cute, I love it. There's a nice little chaise lounge, a little couch, and a table. And then there's also a nice little reading lamp. You have outlets, and then even by the bed, there's outlets and USB ports, another lamp. And the bed is like so nice and super like plushy. I love it. It's got a little firmness to it, which is nice too. You've got a full-size mirror, which you know we love. Gotta check the fits. And then obviously when you come on this side of the bed, same thing. You actually have lights too on the bed. So if you want to do some late night reading in bed, you have those conveniently put there, as well as your nightstand lamp. There's another radio, telephone, some more drawer space here. Pretty cool. It's a nice room. All right, and in the master room, here's your bathroom. So in this bathroom, you're just gonna have a shower with the rainfall shower head, which you know we love. You have your Crabtree products and Zero. So nice. Love the tiles on that. And then obviously over here is gonna be your sectioned off toilet area. Super nice, very quiet. And it also has the bidet features. So if you guys like that, or if you want to try it out, they have it in this room. And look at this mirror. It is huge. I love it. And then they give you obviously lots of towels, drawer space, which yet again has the toilet paper, extra toilet paper, tissue paper, and your hair dryer. You have your Crabtree lotion. There's obviously the soap. More outlets, which is amazing for my girlies out there that obviously love to straighten or curl their hair. And then I love this. You have your own little vanity set. So you have the chair, you have the nice little mirror. I can't wait to do my makeup here. I'm so excited. And then there's also another drawer here too. So cute. All right, my loves, and as you can see, we actually have a balcony, and it's so cute. It has a little table with 4 chairs. We have a view to the ocean all the way through there. I don't know if you guys can see it, probably not in this video, but beautiful sunset right now in Hawaii. And then as you guys can see down here, there's grills if you guys would like to barbecue. We do that sometimes. We go to the store and buy meat and everything, and we just barbecue. And look, it's so pretty, the mountain range. Love it. And then as you come back onto the patio, you actually have 2 more chairs, a little table, and it looks like a little rest thing to put your feet up. It's great. It's a pretty big balcony too. Definitely, this room is not one to miss. All right, my loves, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick room tour view and a little view of the resort. But yeah, if you guys like this video, then please make sure to hit the like button. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on post notifications so you guys will know when there's another magical moments. And until our next magical moments together, bye!